What's up everyone, we're in Phanom Sarakham and we are here today to try two unique and delicious street food dishes. One of them is pak mo, which is a dumpling soup where they make and cook the dumplings right in front of you and then plop them into your soup bowl. And then we're going to try Kanom chai, which is another dumpling dish that is found throughout Thailand, but they perfected it right here in Phanom Sarakham. And right now we're going to check out some pak mo joints recommended to us by locals, and then we're going to a friend's Kanom chai joint and we're going to eat some of that there. And all this talking about food is making me hungry. Let's go.
Hi everyone, this is Nat. I was born and raised in Phanom Sarakham. In this video, we are accompanied by my sister An, who acts as our local experts. She will take us to 5 pak mo shops that are very popular among locals. We tested and rated each shop in a scale of 1 to 5, with 5 being the highest score. So pak mo is a staple dish here for us. So basically, it is a dumpling with a variety of stuffings. We eat it with pork and chicken broth. You can season your broth anywhere you like it. Pak mo has 2 main parts, the dumplings and the soup. There are 6 standard stuffings: chives, tofu, green beans, bamboo shoots, bean sprouts with turnip and peanut. You can add items to your broth to maximize the flavor. So there are pork bones, chicken feet, meatballs, and blood cubes. The broth to be prepared for you first. Then the chef will serve the dumpling straight right into your bowl.
everyone, we're at our family friend shop, Khun. Here they produce 6,000 Kanom Kui Chai every day, sending it to clients locally, Bangkok and Chonburi. They're very kind to let us see their popular Kanom Kui Chai being made, so let's go see how it's done. The process for making Kanom Kui Chai starts with making the casing. A dough is made from rice flour and tapioca starch. Once the dough is made, it is then cooked before being mixed again. The completed dough is divided up into small portions before being flattened out. Then the stuffing is spooned in before being expertly folded. The stuffing is made at another station where a lady cuts all the vegetables up before being sweated down and seasoned. The lady cuts about 60 kilograms of chives every night by hand. Once the batch is ready to be cooked, it is steamed in a big steamer, and once cooked it is allowed to cool before being packed for orders and for the shop. Most of the Kanom Kui Chai that gets produced is for pre-ordered customers.
Nothing won't be lost if you try. I'm pretty sure it's worth. You'll change your life. Nothing won't be lost if you dive so deep into my heart.
You wet your hand with oil.
Which hand? This one.
Any hand, like I say both. And put two in.
เราถนัดซ้ายเหรอพี่แอมอ๋อถนัดซ้ายต้องดูที่ซ้ายเลย
Oh!
ไม่ได้ชูมีดไม่ได้ไม่เป็นไรสิไม่เป็นไรแรงไปแรงไป
You need to put too much pressure on it.
Okay.
แรงไปเอาใหม่
It has to be
อันเดิมก็ได้นะคะ
under.
เอาเดี๋ยว
Try one.
Try one.
Yeah.
Okay, this time's soft.
เบาไม่ดี
ได้ไหมอ่ะ
It looks...
บางไปไหมคะพูดเต็มเบาแล้วอีกหน่อย
A little bit more.
เนี่ย
Yeah.
Okay. So you have to know how much pressure to put on. There's an art to this. It isn't just random.
It is, yes.
You're just not like trying to like squash it as hard as you can.
Okay, you just powder your hand.
Okay.
So,
Both hands.
Yeah, maybe both hands, yeah. That's okay.
Look at that. I'll just put it
ตักไส้เขา
Yes.
ตักเองได้
Scoop it in there.
เขาทำตามเลย
Like that much?
ไป
พอไหมคะ
เยอะไปเยอะไป
Too much, too much.
น้อยไปไหมพอแล้วค่ะโอเคพอแล้วค่ะ
Half. The other half.
แล้วใกล้กลมมือแบบนี้ You make your like chip like this
But you pinch it.
Oh yeah.
แกบอกก็ห่อมือแล้วมันไม่กลมมือเนี่ยเอามือเป็นอุ้งไว้
Like that.
Pinch it, pinch it.
Perfect. I'm sorry, I don't know what to do with this. But,
You see her teeth.
She said you can try another one. Make it perfect.
You learn from
I have way more confidence than I do.
You can powder your hands again.
Alright. I think I've got it this time.
Maybe half a spoon. ครึ่งช้อนเนาะประมาณครึ่งช้อน Yeah, half a spoon.
Went like this.
And then you claw it up. Yeah, and then pinch it.
Like that.
Pinch it.
Like that.
Pinch it. Yeah. And then you have to claw your hand the whole time. Yeah. And then pinch it. Oh, yeah, that's it. And
Kind
you
of like
just
that, but it's broken.
pick the ending bit out.
Oh, that's what that is.
And then upside down.
Okay, I can never have a job here.
No. Obviously not. Yeah, you can put it down.
Oh, it's broken though.
ได้เหรอ
Okay, we've had to come back another day to try the Kanom Gui Chai just because the entire batch from the other night was completely sold out. So now we've secured ourselves some Kanom Gui Chai. We've got all the flavors here, the chives, the carrot and the taro, and it also comes with soy sauce mixed with chili oil for you to dip it in. So let's go give it a try. Okay, so let's open it up. We've got nothing to put this chili oil in, so we're just going to dump it inside the container. So, oh, we can dump it in here, in the lid. There we go. Okay. Cool. Okay, so let's give it a try. I'll try with the classic chive one first. That's really good. The casing's so thin you can barely tell it's there. Okay, now for the taro. Get that sauce on there. That's good too. I don't know which one I like better. Now I'll try the carrot. No, I don't like that one as much as the others. Let me try one more chive and see which one I think is the best. Between the chive and the taro, I can't pick a winner. Cool, that was awesome.
Eat like alcohol.
Oh,
That's how I do it.
this is how you do it. You poke a hole. You poke a hole and drip the sauce in there.
Just my method, so.
This is a local trick.
Carrots, alright. I don't like taro.
Wow.
Always the best. My
Yeah,
favorite.
For me, it was